France had money problems in 1848. To fix things, the government created a bank called Comptoir National de Paris, or CNEP. CNEP's job was to lend money to businesses. This helped France get better. A few years later, in 1860, another bank called Banque de Paris opened. It helped Parisian businesses that needed more and more services. In 1872, Banque de Paris joined with another bank, Crédit Mobilier. They made a new bank called Paribas. Paribas quickly became a big deal in French finance. It paid for important projects like the Paris Metro. The bank grew bigger and bigger throughout the late 1800s and early 1900s. World War II changed French banks a lot. The government took control of several big banks, including CNEP and another one called Banque Nationale pour le Commerce et l'Industrie, or BNCI. These government-run banks helped rebuild France after the war. In 1966, the French government combined CNEP and BNCI. This created a huge new bank, Banque Nationale de Paris, or BNP. BNP's job was to help the French economy grow. It provided all sorts of banking services to people, businesses, and the government. BNP quickly became super important to the French economy. It gave money to big industries like energy, transportation, and telephones. The bank also helped a lot with France's nuclear energy program. BNP's success made it a true banking superstar in France. At the same time, Paribas was becoming a top investment bank. It started doing business in other countries, especially in Europe and the United States. Paribas became known for being really good at the stock market and helping companies join together. In 1999, BNP wanted to buy Paribas and another bank, Société Générale. This caused a big fight in the French banking world. In the end, BNP bought Paribas. This created BNP Paribas in 2000, one of the biggest banks in the whole world. BNP Paribas then started to grow even more around the world in the 2000s. It bought several banks in other countries, including Italy's Banque Nationale del Lavoro, or BNL, and Belgium's Fortis. Buying these banks made BNP Paribas much bigger globally. The bank became a major player in everyday banking, investment banking, and managing money for others. The 2008 financial crisis was a tough time for banks all over the world. BNP Paribas did better than many other banks. This was because it did many different kinds of banking and had a lot of money saved up. Lately, BNP Paribas has been focused on new ideas and being good to the planet. It has spent a lot of money on online banking, making new technology to make things easier for customers. Because climate change is so important, the bank is also trying to be more environmentally friendly and help create a world that uses less energy. Today, BNP Paribas is a world leader in financial services. It does business in over 70 countries and has almost 200,000 employees. The bank still wants to help its customers and support a strong economy. With its long and interesting history, BNP Paribas is ready for success in the future.